Hey, tell me something. There's a
Okay,
delicious
hey guys,
Subway
Jack
food
from Jack's
montage
Normal
going on
Channel
right behind me,
here.
isn't there?
So, as you might
Yep, I can
know,
smell it. Well, that's gonna make it kind of hard to focus, but here we go. And
that
to the
sounds
Subway
stupid,
feast. Turkey,
so here's my
salami,
first
cheese
out of
with
3
roast beef. Turkey,
commentaries, which
salami,
is
cheese with roast
Peter
beef. Turkey,
becomes
salami,
a
cheese
Subway
with roast
mascot
beef.
and then
Pepperoni
dies.
and ham. Write this down.
And yeah, this first
We got 'em
segment
all
was
on
originally
freshly baked
planned
bread.
to be its
The
own
Subway
separate
feast.
thing.
It's as big as my
I didn't
head.
think of the second
Jared.
thing until later on.
Subway,
So that's
eat
kind of
fresh.
just amazing. So now we have the Rip Peter Griffin Rest in Pies Man. And yeah, so most of this was actually, like all of this was made in mobile, which is just amazing. So I just like recorded all this, like every single segment with the screen record option. And this one's really lazy, but like it makes sense. Like basically it's a montage of what he used to do. Like that was from a meme, that was from whatever, and there was No Girls Allowed, Joker, Peter Brain, Peter oh my god, I forgot. It's just a lot. And then here's the ending. Sorry if it's a little short, but yeah, here's the ending. So, what did I personally think about that? I thought it was perfectly great. Like, no joke, it was a great starter off with a saga, and yeah. So, see you on the next video, which is Homer tries to grab a Butterfinger and dies.